Hi guys, so I'm going to show you how to make my curry powder spice mix, traditionally Mauritian one, using my coffee grinder, aka spice grinder I found on Amazon. Really nifty device, and whizzes everything up to like a fine powder, so highly recommend getting one of those. So we've got fennel seeds here, chili powder, cumin seeds, dried curry leaves, we've got some cinnamon and some turmeric and some coriander seeds. So that's the basis of my spice mix. So these are the traditional ingredients that we use to make a Mauritian one, with all the flavours and spice, a little bit of cinnamon in there to give it a bit of sweetness. So what I'm going to do is toast it. So I've put everything, all my dry whole spices in a pan, and then that goes on the hob for about 30 seconds, and then you've got this really rich, gorgeous aroma. You see all those colours have kind of like ignited in the pan, and it smells amazing. So what I'm going to do is just add that all into my spice grinder, and then literally whiz it up till it's a finish powder. And then this is kind of, I can use whenever I want to make a curry at home, or I can make, chicken curry, fish curry, prawns in there. You can even make a vegetable curry with it. It's really versatile spice mix. Beef goes really well with this one as well. So you can just keep it in jars and keep it in the larder or somewhere that's like cool, and it will keep for a while. And then whenever you need it, you just like add 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, and mix it into like a wet paste, and then add it into your curry that you're making that day. So literally that is how easy my batch of curry powder is. It's really important to mix, to toast it on the hob, just so it kind of releases the aromas. And you can see it kind of grinds to a really fine powder, which is so good. So I pulse it for 30 seconds, no more than 30 seconds, also in the coffee grinder, spice grinder, and it just comes out really glorious looking colour. You can see like the brown and yellows from the turmeric, and it smells amazing. So just keep it in a jar, and then like close it tight and everything, and just keep it nice and cool, and then you can use it when you need to. There you go. Hope you enjoy the video, guys. Subscribe and keep watching for more. Thank you. Bye.